Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Here is your common phrase of the day. We see eye to eye. You'll hear this a lot, and you can use it quite often in your conversations. The phrase we see eye to eye means that two people completely agree with each other on something. It is often used when discussing opinions, decisions, or ideas, and emphasizes that both people share the same point of view. See eye to eye means to have the same opinion or understanding as someone else. It is commonly used in conversations about agreements in relationships, work, or discussions. So it's a harmonious phrase. It's something that tells someone else that you agree with them. So here are some example sentences. My best friend and I see eye to eye on almost everything. The manager and the employees don't always see eye to eye about company policies. After a long discussion, my parents finally saw eye to eye about our vacation plans. So practice this phrase in any situation, friendships, relationships, work. It's a very harmonious phrase to see eye to eye with someone. So I hope you guys enjoyed the common phrase of the day. Please join us on our channel by liking and subscribing. We appreciate your company. Bye, guys.